Alright, today we're going to show you how to make a $20 bill. Each one of these, well, that one there's not, but these are all $20. Easy $20 make, and you don't have to really have a lot of tools to do it. So let's get started. How we all doing? Man, we're back again. It's been a while since I've had a chance to make another video. I've been really busy. I just love what I got to do, and I just make things all the time. And they sell pretty good because I love doing what I'm doing. So if you don't like and don't love what you're doing, then you need to change your job or something like that. Because if you're not happy with it, well, by golly, hey. But I'm happy with my job because I love it. And I get to do something I really love to do. And I didn't really know that I could do it until Ryan cooked Carves or Jordy Johnson. So if you have a chance to look either one of them two up, check them out because they are my inspirer. So today we're going to make a mushroom. It's a very easy mushroom. We just basically need your Harbor Freight Special. You need you a grinder, which came from the land of Wally. And then you need your bit, which also comes from Harbor Freight. It's about 10 bucks. So you'll have 10 in this and 20 in the grinder, so you have about 30 bucks in it. And it'll be very handy because you need it really. And we want to talk about safety too. I mean, really the first couple times I did some stuff, I didn't have any safety pants, chainsaw pants. And I can understand because you're just getting started up and you need to make some money, you don't have any. So just be very careful. That's all I can say. Because, it only takes one slip and then you're done. But anyways, do what you got to do to make some money, brother. And just be very careful. So, let's get this camera pointed down. Okay, so mainly what you want to do is I always like to start at the bottom. So we're going to build the bottom first because most people like to make their cut and then they like the plunge cut down, and I don't like that. I'd much rather start out like this. Now see, everybody's got a log, so you can start out with a log. I've actually got a clamp. Them are about $130, but everybody can get a log, so get a couple screws, screw you in, you're ready to go. So the main thing you want to do is start your cut around and then go down. So always wear safety protection if you can. Now I usually only go in about this deep when I cut this ring around it. You'll have to cut some more, but you want to pick something that's not rotten in the center. But it was pine, and these things don't really do good on other stuff. So I wanted to definitely show you a $20 bill. So we're going on. that this is a hardwood. I've been using it, so the chain is dull. So I'm not getting my best results out of it. I need to put a new chain on it. Alright, so now I usually like to grind this off a little. Because everybody always likes to grab it up underneath here, so. Oh, that way when people pick them up, they usually pick them up from underneath, or they pick them up from right around here, and these, whatever's left here won't gouge them. So let's get this thing turned over. We're almost done. It don't matter if it's off a little bit here at the bottom. They lean sideways or whatever. Mushrooms don't grow straight. You just definitely want to get it screwed down the best you can. Alright, so now we want to cut this at an angle all the way around to try and make our rounded top. Alright, so, yeah, busting out on me already. Oh well, you'll have that. So now what you want to do is you want to take this little bad boy and you want to make some gouges in it all over the place. basically you want to take the very tip of it and you just basically want to gouge it a little bit like this. Boy, it's so rotten. Alright, let's go on. Johnny Junk Paint. I usually get it at Wally, but they're out. I can't find any, so I've been having to go to Ace or wherever I can find it, and I just buy the cheapest black paint they got. And that's all you're gonna need. So now you hit it like this. Just want to hit your holes. Then you want to take your grinder here and you want to grind off the junk. Well, there you go. That's about the best I'm going to get it for right now because it's a really junk. It really is. Turned out to be some junk. I didn't realize this pine was that junky, but you get the gist of it. And you don't have to stain it to make a $20 bill. I mean, you kind of want it to look gray color before you actually stain it, but you can stain it right now if you need to. I mean, it ain't no big deal. Get some stain, and the bad thing of it is the stain that you want to use is a $50 bill. And that is this junk right here. Now this really ain't, this don't have the skull and crossbones on it like Ryan Cook or probably a Jordy uses, but it still works. It still lasts about a year because they said about once a year they have to go back and restain it, and this lasts about a year. So there you go, $50 bill. The other's $90. So, and then you want to grind the bottom off here. You want to get this here smooth. You want to smooth this off. That way it's don't look rough. But you want to smooth that out with your grinder. And then, like I say, $20 bill. So you don't have to stain it to make a 20, but if you do, I would, you're still going to get at least a $20 bill. You might be able to get 25 out of this, being that this is a little bit bigger, because usually my $20 bills are the ones that are, you just seen the little bitty suckers. So, yes, $20 bill. If you want me to make some more videos, like, share, and subscribe. If you've got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe, give me some help. If not, so long, you have a good day. Thanks to everybody who showed up and watched my video, and I'll be back in another couple weeks, or hopefully within a couple weeks, maybe a month, to show you how to put a door on this, and that's a $30 bill. But you almost need some paint for that. So, and this is the wrong time of year for mushrooms, but you never know. People might buy the mushrooms anyways, especially the one with the door. But, or I can show you, in advanced, how to make a bear. These are going to be little welcome bears. See, I'll show you here real quick. Now see, these are my little welcome bears. And then here's my eagle I just got done the other day. I haven't had a chance to stain it. And then here's my my little bear bench and my spook owl there. But yeah, these are at least a $20 bill, these blue ones here. You can always go maybe a little 25, but these are at least a $20 bill. So, there you go. Hopefully you got something out of it. And like I say, like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a beautiful day. Hopefully I'll be back to you sooner with something that's a little up to date, because that mushroom's out of date. I mean, really, you should have made these suckers way back in, March or February, but there we go. So that'll be something for next year. Let me see about making you a welcome bear, and we'll go from there. Or maybe even a mushroom with a door on it, because that might still be, a fairy door. People are still into that stuff right now, so you might be able to sell it before the summer's out. But the welcome bears, and I've got a little go away bear just like him that you'll just love. So I'm gonna have to show you how to do them, and we'll get back to you. Y'all have a beautiful day. Peace.